Good morning, students. Today we will learn the most important part of mathematics, which gives the middle form and the very important thing, which is maximum used in daily life, that is trigonometry. So, before going to the trigonometry, let us know about its history. So, when trigonometry was not there, it was not possible to measure the long distances, to measure much height, to measure the angles or different things. So I'll take one instance, that here is one thing is given, that is to find the height of a tree using a meter rule. So it was the method which was used before trigonometry to find out the height of a tree, which was not totally correct. It was so approximate that which is led to find out the concept of trigonometry. Before that, let me know. So the AB is the height of the tree, XY is the meter rule placed parallel to AB, and we have to keep our eye at Z and look at the top of the tree such that Z, X and A are all lying in a line, and BC is the shadow of the tree, and so is YZ. Like this, by comparing the ratios, we are finding out the height of the tree. This was the basic method to find out. After that, when I'll go to the next slide, the origin and the purpose of trigonometry, why it is invented. So name of the mathematician who was done the basic concept for the trigonometry is Hipparchus. So who is known as the father of trigonometry. He belongs to Turkey, and he has done it in the year 140 BC. So what is the need of the trigonometry? So it was the basic for finding out the height of the monuments, heights of the pyramids, long distance, and the distance of the celestial bodies from the earth, and motion of the planets and the solar system with the lunar eclipse also. We have to find out different things and measurement we have to do using the trigonometry concept. So the trigonometry is arised from that. So what is the trigonometry? So here it is written, it is a combination of some Greek words, that is tri means three, gonia means angles, and metron means measurement. So when three words are combined, it is giving the trigonometry. So the literal meaning of trigonometry is measurement of three angles, and since a triangle has three angles, therefore trigonometry means measurement of triangles, where the sides are also considered to find out the values using the trigonometry. Now the introduction to trigonometry. It is the branch of mathematics that deals with the triangles, mostly with the right triangle, used in finding relationship between sides and angles. So it is basically for you according to the right triangles. We will learn about the right triangle first before going to the trigonometry. So here is a right triangle given in the figure. Sorry, ABC is not written, let me write. Okay, so here hypotenuse is there. So it is a right triangle having three sides, where the hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay, hypotenuse is the longest side. Other two sides are called the legs of the triangle which contain the right triangle. So one may be the perpendicular and one may be the base. So hypotenuse of the right triangle is always the side opposite to the right angle. It is the longest side of the right triangle. You know it from the lower classes also. Then come to yes, for a given angle theta, if we will consider an angle of a right triangle except or excluding that right triangle, excluding the right triangle, other two acute angles are there. Let us consider this angle which is given and name it as theta. Its name is theta. Okay, so side opposite to the theta, or the side containing the right angle which is opposite to theta, is called the opposite